And as you would have noticed in most of my videos, I performed this trick. This trick is a combination of two jump rope tricks. The first one is 180-degree jump rope trick and the second one is rope wrap trick. I've done tutorial on both of these tricks. You can check it out on my YouTube channel, but still I will tell you how to do this. So the first one is 180-degree jump rope trick. To do that, we will start with the basic jumps. And while performing basic jumps, we will turn and perform side swing. And then jump, and then raise our hands, and then jump again. And that's how we perform a 180-degree jump rope trick. The second one is rope wrap trick. To do that, we will start again with the basic jumps. Now while performing basic jumps, perform side swing and wrap the rope across your right hand. Turn your right hand to the left side, unwrap the rope, and then again jump. And that's how you perform a rope wrap trick. To perform the combination of these two tricks, to perform 180 wrap trick, we will follow 5 steps. In step 1, we will perform basic jumps and wrap the rope across our right hand. We'll start with the basic jumps and wrap the rope across our right hand. Now instead of turning our right hand to the left side, we will turn our body to the backward direction. This is going to be our second step. And in the third step, we'll unwrap the rope and let it hit our feet. Practice these 3 steps as many times as possible until unless you get the hold of it. In the third step, we let the rope hit our feet, but in the fourth step, we will just add a jump. To do that, we'll again start with the basic jumps. Wrap the rope across our right hand, turn, unwrap the rope, and jump. In the fourth step, we were performing backward skips. Now finally, in the fifth step, while performing backward skips, we will raise our hand, turn, and then add a jump. And finally completing 180 wrap trick. To do that, we will start with the basic jumps. Wrap the rope across our right hand, turn, and unwrap the rope, jump, raise our hands, and then jump again. That's how we perform 180-degree wrap trick. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or thoughts, then comment below. I'll see you in the next video.